got?
Car keys. We're gonna see if we can fire this puppy up.
The LS this time, yep.
The LS, yeah.
Right,
It's
so
been
the
a
fob's
while.
not working.
Not working. But we can unlock it with this key. There we go.
Not good if the fob's not working.
Yeah. And it won't start. The battery is dead. Oh yeah.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I see your problem right away.
Ew. How does that happen?
That's the question. I have no idea how it happened.
Is our battery old?
Well, it's as old as the car that we've had it, 3 years. And probably a little bit older.
Oh, it probably needs a new battery.
We're going to try and clean that corrosion before we do anything.
Okay, how do you do that?
Well, according to trusty YouTubers, who we know never lie, right? Water and baking soda in equal parts, pour it on, and it should clear it off.
Yeah.
And then we'll see if the connection is restored. But we have to have some safety here, which is gloves and glasses.
Baking soda, hot water, equal parts. Ooh, we don't have safety glasses. So just like any glasses, sunglasses?
Sunglasses are better than nothing.
Gloves, okay. Like gardening gloves?
Anything that helps you from, you don't want your skin to touch the corrosion.
These are gross. Let's see if this works.
So the idea is you lift up the cap on the battery.
Okay.
And you pour baking soda on it, and it should clear it up.
All right. Oh man, that's bad. Okay, and just pour it on?
Yeah. Back toward the terminal right there. Yeah.
Yeah. I think we need like a toothbrush or something.
Got a spare toothbrush? Don't we upstairs?
Yeah.
Go get that spare toothbrush.
And maybe one more of these.
Yes. Just
okay.
In case. All right.
Final cup of hot water to rinse off all the gunk. We'll see if this works.
Oh, it looks so much better now.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Let's give it a try.
There are the keys.
Let me just take
out.
Take my trusty gloves off. See if this works. Nope.
Not at all?
Not at all.
Nothing.
No. We tried.
All right. Well, we'll see if anybody has an idea what to do.
Do you think we could just jump it?
Well, there's jumping it, but I'm wondering if
it's
you do something beforehand, even just make it wait.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, what do people need to do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. We're having fun with our cars, and we hope you're enjoying our videos too. Check us out.